Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about on Virtus Finance. So Virtus Finance is a digital startup with an emphasis on DeFi innovation, providing values and benefit to the Virtus token holders. So let's go to the screen and talk more about on this topic. Hey guys, now we are in the interface of this amazing website, Virtus Finance. So in the header section, there are 5 topics covered here. What is Virtus, how it works, tokenomics, white paper, FAQ, contact us option. So Virtus auto staking protocol, it is an auto staking and auto compounding protocol that provide you the highest APY of 410 347.53% fixed APY. So accumulate interest every 10 minutes is of like 144 times daily. If you want to purchase this token, you can simply buy from PancakeSwap. So you guys can see there is an option of open app here. So they basically have their application as well. So I will just paste the link in the description. You guys can just go through that. So while scroll down, you can see there is an amazing quote by Warren Buffett. Like, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So this is just an amazing quote by Warren Buffett. So what is Virtus? So it's auto staking and auto compounding protocol in crypto. So basically, Virtus is a digital startup with an emphasis on DeFi innovation, providing value and benefit to the VAP token holders. So talking about the Virtus auto staking protocol integrated within VAP token is designed to rebase investment in every 10 minutes. Like in every 10 minutes. So it is an easy process, like buy, hold, earn, repeat. So that will grow your wallet. Basically talking about the accumulate interest every 10 minutes, 144 times, as I said already. So how it works? So VAP tokens, like VAP token is a BEP20 token with a positive rebase formula, thus keeping its value on an appreciating curve. So it is one of the best auto staking and auto compounding token. So talking about the liquidity pool, Virtus auto liquidity pool. To maintain the liquidity, the Virtus auto liquidity pool VLP triggers a response in every 48 hours and injects liquidity in the market. So with each trader, there is a 3% of tax levied on both buyer and seller. By the Virtus auto staking protocol, this fund is used by two BNB and VAP at a 50-50 ratio to provide liquidity when the investor just sell off. So what is Virtus Protection Fund? So basically it is a 5% of all trading fees are stored in an insurance fund that forms the VPF. This fund forms the backbone to the Virtus protocol and backing the staking rewards provided by the positive rebase. VPF also act as a buffer to maintain liquidity in case of sharp sell-off. What is now Virtus Treasury? So Virtus Treasury is basically the treasury constitutes an important part of the web. So it provides an extra cushion of the insurance to VPF in case of very sharp sell-off. In addition to that, the treasury fund is used to create extra service and products to pay off marketing campaigns for the protocol. The Virtus auto token burner is like to ensure a floor price to the VAP token by 2.5% of the token traded are burnt off regular to shrink and circulating the supply and keep the price as stable as that. So the regular burn also provide a deflationary effect on the token and ensuring the value of the token remain intact. So talking about the tokenomics, you can see the map: buy, sell, liquidity, like buy of 13.5% of slippage, sell by 15.5% of slippage, liquidity of 3% of order, fees returned to liquidity, and you can see the liquidity, order, fees returned to liquidity. So Virtus Protection Fund. I'll just paste this link in the description. You guys can go through this tokenomics as well. So it is FAQ, frequently asked questions. So basically you can see the most asked questions are here, like could you please introduce the Virtus project and your vision to us. So by clicking over here you can just see the answers, and there are many frequently asked questions here. So if you want to ask, just write your name, email ID and what query you guys have, just wrote it down and you have to just click a send button over there. So guys, thank you for watching my video. For sure I will be pasting the website link in the description. Do check out. Have a nice day.